Hello everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix this annoying content failed to load error on the Xbox app for the PC. So there's a couple of reasons for this error, and because of that there are a couple of solutions, so try not to skip any steps. Okay, the first thing you want to do is sign out and sign back in across the Xbox app and the Microsoft Store. You can do that by clicking on this icon, click sign out, and do that for the Xbox Store as well. And then reboot your PC to see if that fixes the issue. Step number 2 is to disable IPv6 on your network connection. So how do you do that? Press the Windows button, press R, or just type in run into the search bar, type in ncpa.cpl and hit enter. And then you'll find your network connections. Right click on your active network connection, click on properties, and then scroll down to the network protocol TCP/IPv6. Then once you find this, you want to unclick this, hit OK, and then restart your PC, and then launch the Xbox app and try it once more. The next thing you want to look for is to uninstall conflicting game launchers. For example, if you have something like Ubisoft Connect EA app or anything like that, make sure that they are not running. If they are running, you want to, right click on them and exit them. Or if possible, uninstall them and see if the Xbox app is working. Another thing you might want to try is use a VPN. Many people on Reddit have said that using a VPN or switching network connections fixes what they believed was an IP related issue, so try using a VPN and starting it once again. The next thing you want to do is try to uninstall and reinstall from the store. So go into settings, go into apps, go into installed apps, and you want to find the Xbox app. You want to click on this, click uninstall, then go to the Microsoft Store and then find the Xbox app once more. And then when you find the Xbox app, you can install it from here and see if that fixes your issue. The next thing you want to try is to repair or reset the Xbox app. So how do you do that? Go to settings, go back to apps, and then from here, go to installed apps, find the Xbox game pass once more. Click on this, go to advanced options, scroll down until you see reset and repair. Click on both of these and to see if that fixes the issue. As a workaround, what you can do if you still don't get it working is to go to the Microsoft Store and find the game you want directly and install it directly from the Microsoft Store. This will bypass the Xbox Game Pass. This won't fix the issue, but you can still play the games. You can still use Xbox Game Pass and play the games that you want to without using the Game Pass. And for many people, this seems to fix the issue for them. The next thing you want to do is ensure the Xbox services are running. So press Windows R, type in services.msc. And then make sure that Microsoft services like Xbox Live Auth Manager and Microsoft Store install servers are running. And you want to find them and right click on them and go to properties and make sure they are running and they are set up to automatic startup type. And that is it. That should fix the issue. If this helped you, leave the video a like and please subscribe. I'd really appreciate it. Have a nice day.